We're up on the southeast ridge. The Eddie Covariance Tower is just down the valley. We're about 100 meters or so up on the side slopes. So we're just about to do the fall 2021 data collection with the Mavic and the Phantom. Weather's pretty good. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning and it's a little bit blustery, so not ideal, but let's see how it goes. So we've just finished 4 sites. We've done the Mavic and the Phantom drone work, so multispectral structure from motion. It's approaching noon time. We've got the first 3 sites in cloud, last one in full sun, very windy, lots of battery consumption. I had to swap out the batteries on a couple of the sites. But all in all, that's it for the season. How about your work, Laura?
Went really well. We measured canopy height in the understory. We did the fractional cover with RGB photography for all of the microplots, and we also measured the seedling height per microplot. So that was probably almost 60 plots that we did, coincident with the UAV data collection.
Oh, great. Okay, well, that's it for this year, I think. So we'll come back in the spring.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to head down the valley with the 360 camera and see what that looks like.
Sounds good.